At LlamaGen.AI, you can access the character list, click to edit a character, and then enter the character profile page. From there, you can use the quick actions above the character image to swiftly generate a 3-view set of 30 images for the character. This helps maintain character consistency in comics or animations. A second tip is to create a character street, which includes the character's color palette, decorations, and detailed 3-view images, along with richer character descriptions. This view is generated using Nana Banana Pro, so it may take a bit longer, but the results are definitely impressive. This feature also enhances character consistency.